Okay, so it's day 2 of changing the motors and doing everything. But yeah, so the plan is today I'm cutting the mud truck up. Like, I'm gonna cut it to pieces and scrap it. I'm keeping the motor, trans axles, drive shafts, and other parts that I can use, but everything else will be loaded up tonight and junked. Didn't really want to come to this, but this thing ain't worth the concrete it's sitting on, so I'm gonna get the motor out today, and then we're gonna get it all chopped apart and hopefully get the motor set in the square body tonight or tomorrow. But the plan is to go back to a small block but still turbo it. I'm having troubles finding LS parts, to be honest. But yeah, that's the plan, so I'll keep you all updated. I got a few things I gotta do before I can start working on this thing, but yeah. Okay, so I know I didn't record much, but here's what's left of the truck as of right now. There ain't all that much. Cab's over there upside down. We're gonna finish cutting it up tomorrow. And yep, finish cutting this up, get the motor out, and hopefully square body drug over tomorrow. Sorry for all the noise. My truck's over there running. But yep, this is the end of today's video. It's gonna be a really short one, but